Doctors across the country are sounding the alarm over the dangers of delaying breast cancer screenings because of the coronavirus pandemic. Joining us now is Dr. Sylvia Jaramillo, a medical oncologist based in Central Texas. So glad to have you with us, Dr. Jaramillo.
Thank you for having me.
It is our pleasure to have you with us. Now, many medical procedures were put on hold because of the pandemic, including cancer screenings. How much of a decline in screenings are you seeing, and what concerns you most about it?
So this number has ranged, it's been different throughout the country, but we estimate that in Austin, we saw about a 75% reduction during the peak of the pandemic in cancer, a decline in all cancer screenings. Mammograms fell by about 70%, and we are still about 25% lower in our mammogram screening rates than what we would expect.
Okay, and talk about the risks and dangers involved in delaying those screenings and mammograms.
Yes. So during the pandemic, so many people understandably really didn't want to come into any clinics and health centers. And so what we started to see is women delaying, coming in for symptoms that even included large masses that appeared. But really, any change in your breast health should be examined by your doctor. And so what we've seen, unfortunately, are cases where women delayed their screening and their checkups. And so what we saw were the appearance of tumors that probably we could have caught earlier on.
Okay, I see. So what's your best advice for Texans who are on the fence, wanting to continue treatment, get mammograms and breast cancer screenings, but concerned about contracting COVID-19?
So my best advice for you is that cancer can't wait. I know that we're all worried, but as we've gone along in the pandemic, we've learned really the protective measures that have worked for us. And, wearing a mask and hand hygiene and social distancing, whether you're in social situations or at a clinic, can really keep you safe.
Okay, you said it, cancer can't wait. And the longer you wait, the more dangerous it could be. Okay, Dr. Jaramillo, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for joining In Focus Texas. We appreciate that.
Thank you so much, and everybody stay safe out there.
It's a name synonymous with breast cancer awareness and advocacy, Susan G. Komen. Coming up, why they've changed from Race for the Cure to More Than Pink, and what they're doing to make breast cancer treatment more accessible across the Lone Star State. Stay close.